Hello students, a very good morning all of you. I hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we will learn about how to insert picture in PowerPoint. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see here, insert option. Okay, so you just need to click on it, on that insert option. Then, whenever you will click on that insert option, you will see here many pictures, okay, which is in that insert option. So you just need to select whichever picture you like, okay, and your picture will be inserted. So I have inserted here penguin's picture, and students, here you can see one option, okay, whenever you will click on it, so directly you can select any picture, okay. आप direct insert option पे पहुँच जाओगे and you can select any other picture. So that's it. Picture makes our presentation unique and enhance its appearance. So that's why we use this insert option. Now students, how to insert pictures from clip art. Okay, so for that what you need to do, you just need to click on insert option, and here you will see one option which is clip art. So that here you will see one slide, and on it you can search anything, okay. Suppose type name of any desired picture in the search for box, okay. For example, if one wants to insert picture of any bird, okay, if you want to picture any bird or any animal, so here you can write that particular name and you can click on go, okay. So now you will see here many options. So whichever option you like, you can insert that. Okay, so that's it. This is about inserting pictures from clip art. So now students, as we all know, pictures make our presentation unique and enhance its appearance. So we can insert pictures using any of this option, clip art and picture from file, as we already learn it, okay. So हम two types से picture को insert कर सकते हैं, clip art and picture from file, okay. Inserting picture from clip art is a collection of pictures or images that can be imported into a program, okay. So clip art collection है picture का, so that whatever we want we can search and we can insert a particular picture, okay. So to insert a clip art in a slide, we follow these steps. Click on the insert tab. Second step is click on clip art from illustrations group. The clip art task pane appears, okay. So you just need to click on that clip art after clicking on insert tab. Third step is type name of the desired picture in the search for box, okay. So students, for example, if one wants to insert a picture of a bird, okay, so what you need to type? You need to type bird and click on go button. Related pictures are displayed now, okay. And fourth step is click the picture to insert in the slide, okay. To inserting picture, what you need to do? Click the particular picture. We see a green dot beside the picture when we select it. It is used to rotate the picture, okay. So students, you can resize your picture, okay. So whichever size you want of your picture, you can resize that. And to resize a picture, we click on any of the blank circles seen around the pictures to select drag to resize as required. Okay, so this is about inserting picture from clip art. Now, let's know about inserting picture from file. So, to insert a picture from file, we follow these steps. First step is click on insert tab. Okay, as simple as that. You just need to click on insert tab. Second option is click picture from illustrations group and picture dialog box is same. Third step is select the picture file required to be inserted and click on insert button. Okay, it is very simple. So students, I hope you have learned about this, how to insert any pictures from PowerPoint, from inserting tab. Now students, there is one more option which is inserting smart art. So to add smart art, which is graphical representation of text. So we follow these steps. Whenever you will click on that insert tab, okay, that smart art option is also there. So what you need to do that? Click on insert tab, first step. Second step is click smart art from illustration group. We can see a dialog box, okay. Whenever you will click on that smart art, you will see a dialog box. Third step is select the layout of smart art from left pane and choose the type of smart art. Okay, whichever type of smart art you want to insert, you can choose any. Okay, as you can see in this picture, there are many smart art and click on OK button. So we see that the selected smart art is inserted in the slide and two tabs, design tab and format tab, appear automatically on the ribbon. And fifth step is click on the text and type the required text in the smart art. So that's it. Okay, your smart art will be inserted. So students, now you can edit your smart art. There are many options. We can change the color, layout, style, etc. of smart art. And to edit, double click the smart art, and after double clicking, smart art tools under design tab appears on the ribbon. Okay, so you can change your smart art from this. To change category, choose from the layout group, and to change the appearance of smart art, select one out of different style from smart art style group. Okay, so we can also change color from change color. Okay, you can change color of your smart art. So students, now today we have learned about how to insert pictures, okay, and inserting smart art.